Ron Vrooman is simply wrong. March 25, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. Ron Vrooman is simply wrong. He thinks he is acting as an American. But he's not. He thinks that a U.S. citizen is the same thing as an American. In fact, as can be simply proven, the two things have never been the same. He thinks that a state is the same as a state of state. That, too, is simply wrong. He thinks that he can act in the capacity of an Oregonian, a state national or state citizen of Oregon, and at the same time continue to claim that he is a U.S. citizen. That's wrong, too. He even claims that he is the coordinator of the Oregon Assembly, but that's wrong also. You can't act as a U.S. citizen of any stripe and act as the coordinator, or even be a member of the Oregon Assembly. In these delusional assumptions, Ron is not unlike many other Americans who persist in error even after they have been shown the truth and even after it has all been patiently and repeatedly explained to them. The only thing that a legal person, and all U.S. citizens are legal persons by definition, can assemble is by definition a state-of-state corporation, not a state. People acting in the capacity of lawful persons are the only ones who can assemble a state of the Union. Period. This is the law, the fact, and the history of it. Ron Vrooman is welcome to stay a U.S. citizen of whatever kind, but he is not welcome to make false claims of American state citizenship while he is doing so. This is like a Spaniard claiming to be Irish and a member of the Irish government to boot. What he is doing is in fact anti-American. Until he understands the requirement of singular allegiance to his State of the Union, he can't do what he wants to do as an Oregonian, and he can't lead others to success, either. Everything he is saying, preaching, doing is wrong, and it is wrong because he can't or won't grasp the difference between America and the United States, and can't see the difference between a State of the Union and a state-of-state corporation. Don't follow Ron into the same old trap. He is doing and assuming the same kinds of things that I warned Bruce Doucette and the Colorado Nine against.